today I'm going to meet my friends at the Beach Walk shopping center, and right now I asked the reception to order me a Gojek. For those of you who don't know what it is, it's like an Uber but with motorbike. It's I think it's only in Indonesia or maybe in Southeast Asia as well. So yeah, it's pretty much Uber with motorbike. You have an app, you order one, and then the only difference I guess is you pay by cash, because everything is by cash here. Actually, my friends told me yesterday that Uber got bought by Grab, and Grab is a Malaysian company, which is sort of like Uber, but I guess Uber wanted to keep it a little bit too Western here, and you could only pay your Uber ride with a credit card. So it didn't work out really well, because here everything is with cash. So yeah, I guess Uber didn't quite make it. So I didn't come here because I absolutely wanted to visit the mall, but one of my friends is the manager at an ice cream store called Xokso Ice Cream. So yeah, we're gonna go and check it out, and hopefully he'll give us a free one. Something to like the 20 people who are gonna watch my videos on YouTube.
When in Bali, try the ice cream.
Where can they find them?
There are 4 places right now. 5 in December. There's one in Poppies Lane 2. Beach Walk Mall, Discovery Mall, Seminyak Village Mall, and then Sidewalk Jimbaran Mall.
Alright, this is my new friend Alex. Want to say hi? We are at a Sade restaurant. So it's supposed to be a good restaurant, I assume?
Yeah.
Alright, let's check it out. I love Sade, so I'm excited. We're just at my friend's hotel, enjoying the swimming pool, and I have a dome with the GoPro, so I'm gonna test it out and see what it looks like. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. We are back at Sano Beach, and yeah, I think it's a good spot for a drone shot, and that's where I'm gonna end today's episode, because it's getting dark, and I saw yesterday that yeah, filming in low light with the GoPro is not ideal at all.